Yeah, so SLP right now, what are we doing for SLP? This is amazing, isn't it? We have amazing channel. I talked about SLP yesterday that it can actually come up here to this level. Now the question really is, you are still continuing sideways. There's no any like break of this line because you went down, you came up, you went down like this, came up, went down, came up, went down again, came up, and then now you're finding resistance right over here. Okay, so don't get too much excited, unfortunately, because you really want to break this level, backtest this level, and I'm going to tell you the next technical target that we're talking about. So from there to there, you're going to be looking for SLP to come up at 576, 577 level. Now, at the moment, unfortunately, because you are on a sideways movement, this one being your resistance, this one being your resistance again, resistance here, resistance there, so that you have the same resistance every time you went to that resistance, down. Anytime down, again here down, and once again here down, and this time you might see this thing again rolling down to this particular price level 380, and then make another move again and just continue sideways until we don't really break to the downside. Keep in mind, if you in the future somehow come down, break this level, then you're looking for 304. No question asked. So be really, really super careful at the moment. And that's it for this one on SOP. Let's move on to the next coin, which is OP.